Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the mode. So the mode is the number that occurs the most often from a list of numbers or in a given data set. Now a list can have two modes, but we'll get to that in just a moment. So when you're trying to find a mode, what you're going to look for is any number that appears more than once, and then just take note and see if there's any other numbers that appear more than once. So when I look at my numbers here, I see that I've got more than one time that 51 appears. Now I've got 49 here 3 times. And I have 2 occurrences for the number 60. But I saw that 49 appeared 3 times, so the mode here would be 49. Now let's take a look at an example in which case we could have more than one number as the mode. So here I have another set of numbers. If I look at all my numbers here, I see that I've got 485 that appears twice, and 487 also appears twice. So in this case, the mode would be both of those numbers, 485 and 487. When you have more than one mode, this is what is known as bimodal, the fancy term for it. Bimodal. Now in the previous videos that I've done, we've talked about mean, median, and we've now talked about the final one, the mode. The final one of what? All three of these terms, mean, median, and mode, are what are known as measures of central tendency. Whenever you're asked to find measures of central tendency, you are being asked to find the mean, the median, and the mode. So what's the average, what number falls in the middle, and what number appears the most often, or which numbers appear the most often. Because again, you could have more than one mode. It's not very common, but it can happen. Can you have a set of numbers where you have no mode? That can happen as well. But again, not too common. Sometimes you'll have one mode, like you had here. We had 51 appear twice, but we had 49 appear 3 times. Versus here, where you had 2 numbers that appeared twice, also known as bimodal. And then just remember, mean, median, and mode are what are known as measures of central tendency. The big fancy term for those 3 things. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.